This video explains the difference between organization, folders, and projects in GCP in simple words. Google Cloud resources are organized hierarchically. Hierarchy means putting objects at various levels. At the very top level, we have organization. Then in organization, we have folders. And in folders, we have projects. And then in projects, we have resources. Resources are at lowest level. Example of resources are virtual machines, storage buckets, BigQuery, and many other cloud services, etc. So if you go from bottom up, these resources are grouped into projects, and then the projects are grouped into folders, which are in turn grouped into organization. Now let's have a look at it again from top bottom in bit more detail. So at the very top level again, we have this organization. Though organization is not mandatory but highly recommended. The organization in GCP represents a company and is a root node in the Google Cloud resource hierarchy when present. The organization is a parent of folders and project resources. The IAM, which is Identity Access Management, access control policies applied on the organization level apply throughout the hierarchy on all resources in the organization. In other words, if you apply any IAM policy or organization policy at org level, it will be inherited by folders, then projects, and then the resources. After the organization, we have folders. Folder resources optionally provide an additional grouping mechanism and isolation boundaries between projects. Folder resources can be used to model different departments and teams within a company. Each team folder could contain additional subfolders to represent different applications, but I would highly suggest to avoid this nesting as it becomes quite messy and hard to manage down the road. After the folders, we have projects. So within folders, we have many projects. The project resource is a base level organizing entity. Organization and folder resources may contain multiple projects. A project resource is required to use Google Cloud and forms the basis for creating, enabling, and using all Google Cloud services, managing APIs, enabling billing, adding and removing collaborators, and managing permissions. One point to remember is that folder resources are optional grouping mechanism between organization resources and project resources. An organization resource is required as a prerequisite to use folders. So that was a quick overview and differentiation between what exactly is organization and folder and project and resources and how they differ from each other. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, please put them in the comments. Thank you.